Few things are more annoying than sitting down to watch TV only to find your LG Smart TV frozen, unresponsive, or stuck on a blank screen. The good news is that this problem usually has a quick and easy fix. Most of the time, your TV just needs a proper restart to clear background glitches and refresh the system. Before you think about repairs or replacements, I'll walk you through multiple proven reboot methods using simple power steps, physical buttons, and software settings that are safe and surprisingly effective. Let's start with the standard power reboot, because this is the easiest and safest method, and it solves most basic issues. First, turn the TV off completely. Once it's off, unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. After unplugging, wait at least 60 seconds, though waiting up to 5 minutes is even better if the screen was completely frozen. This pause allows the TV to fully shut down and clear temporary system errors. After the waiting time is over, plug the TV back in and turn it on to see if the problem is gone. If the remote isn't working or the TV won't respond at all, don't worry, there's another option. This method uses the physical power button on the TV itself. Look around the TV, usually under the logo or along the side or back panel, to find the button. The location can vary by model, so take a moment to check. Once you find it, unplug the TV from power. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 30 seconds, then release it and wait around 10 minutes. After waiting, plug the TV back in and turn it on. This helps reset the TV when the remote can't be used. If the issue is still there, the next step is a deeper power drain reboot. This method helps remove any leftover electricity stuck inside the TV that can cause freezing or black screens. Start by unplugging the TV from the wall. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button for a full 30 seconds. After that, leave the TV unplugged for about 10 minutes. Once the time is up, reconnect the power cable and turn the TV on. Another option is rebooting the TV using the LG ThinQ app, but this will only work if it was already set up before the problem started. Open the LG ThinQ app on your phone and use the virtual remote feature. From there, you can navigate the menus and restart the TV using the on-screen controls. This is helpful if the physical remote isn't responding, but the TV is still connected to the network. If none of these reboot methods work, the final option is a software reset. Go into the TV settings, open General, and select Reset to Initial Settings. This resets the TV software and removes saved apps and settings, so it should only be used as a last resort for deeper software problems. That's it. By now, your TV should be responding normally again. I hope these step-by-step solutions helped you fix the issue you were facing. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and helpful TV troubleshooting guides. And if one of these methods worked for you or you have a question, feel free to leave a comment below.